I'm done with work. I had a night shift from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. and I'm going back. I have to ride a cycle 30 kilometers to my city mouscron, and my work is in the city wevelgem. You know, it's rainy day. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, so riding a cycle in the morning 5 o'clock. Oh my god. And it's a nice weather, you know. It was really hot inside the factory, but right now when I went outside after done with work, so I feel a little bit fresh, but it's okay. Maybe I'm going to have a shower in the way. So maybe in 1 hour I reach my home. So you see what a dark streets. Now there is light, but in the way there is no light. I have to on my phone torch. My gosh. It's so dark in the streets. See, oh my. I don't have a light in my bicycle. Maybe I have to buy, because I didn't buy this cycle from the shop. It's second hand, so that's why I'm going to on my phone torch. It's completely dark. So, see you guys. Have a nice day. Have a nice morning. Take care.